What is the safest crypto investment? With thousands of cryptocurrencies out there, how do you know which one is the safest? This video answers the question. What is the safest crypto investment and why does it stand out from the rest? Crypto investing can be very unpredictable. Prices soar, the next day they crash. But if you're looking for stability and long-term value, not all coins are created equal. Many altcoins are risky, easily manipulated, or abandoned by developers. A safe investment should have security, real-world use, and strong adoption. So what's the safest cryptocurrency at the moment? It's none other than Bitcoin, BTC. Why? It has a proven track record. It's the first and most established crypto. Another great advantage is that it is decentralized. No central authority controls it, so it cannot be abandoned by the developers. Furthermore, it's a perfect store of value, often called digital gold. There are only 21 million coins of which no more are being created, thus creating scarcity. It also has institutional adoption. Big companies and investors trust it. Unlike meme coins or unstable altcoins, Bitcoin has survived crashes and always recovered stronger. Bitcoin isn't risk-free, but compared to other cryptos, it's the safest bet for long-term growth. If you're investing in crypto, Bitcoin should be the foundation of your portfolio. What you also shouldn't forget: don't go all in at once. Use dollar-cost averaging to reduce risk. Dollar-cost averaging, DCA, is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the asset's price. This helps reduce the impact of market volatility and lowers the risk of making a bad investment decision based on short-term price swings. So, is Bitcoin in your investment strategy? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.